Good morning. We are going to do the problems for class 11th based on roots of quadratic equation. It's pure algebra which you have already done in junior classes, and we are going to apply it to the quadratic equation. For example, I have written a question on the left side of the board. If alpha and beta are roots of ax squared plus bx plus c, then we have to find the following: alpha square plus beta square, alpha square minus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube, alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, alpha 6 plus beta 6, and so on. So let's start and take one by one. If alpha and beta are the roots, then the sum of the roots is, we had told you, minus b upon a, the coefficient of x minus the coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Here it is, b is the coefficient of x and a is the coefficient of a, so it will be minus b upon a, sum of the roots. And product of roots is c upon a, where c is the absolute value. In the question here it is c, and a is again the coefficient of x square. Now we have to, based on this, keeping this in view that we know this, alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, and alpha b into beta is c upon a, we'll be calculating this. The first a part is to calculate alpha square plus beta square. We know alpha plus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. It is basic formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Instead of a and b, we have taken alpha and beta. What do I have to find? Alpha square plus beta square. So by transformation, I'll get alpha square plus beta square as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. I know what is the value of alpha plus beta. I know what is the value of alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a whole square, and this is c upon a. So we substituted the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this equation to get the value, because I have to get alpha square plus beta square. So it will come out to be b square upon a square, when I'll square it, minus 2c upon a. You can take the LCM as a square and you will get b square minus 2ac upon a square. So your alpha square plus beta square will become equal to b square minus 2ac upon a square. This is the value of alpha square plus beta square when alpha plus beta is a minus b upon a, and alpha beta is c upon a. So basically we are using the basic methods, basic algebra which we had learned during expansions. So alpha plus beta whole square was alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. We transferred this to this side, you can say. So alpha square plus beta square will come out to be alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. We know the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. We'll substitute those values and we get the final answer, alpha square plus beta square. Now let us see the next part. B is alpha square minus beta square. Now alpha square minus beta square has two factors, which are alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha square minus beta square has two factors, alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta. I already know the value of alpha plus beta from this given minus b upon a. I have to calculate alpha minus beta. I know we had told you a relation which relates alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha minus beta whole square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. alpha minus beta whole square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is part of expansion formula which you've studied in class 8. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a whole square minus 4c upon a. And if you don't remember, go and revise these formulas, because these are very important from the point of view of roots. B square upon a square minus 4c upon a, or I will take LCM a square, I will get b square minus 4ac upon a square. This is the value of alpha minus beta. So alpha minus beta whole square. So alpha minus beta will be, when we take a square root, it becomes plus minus b square minus 4ac upon a. The square root of a square is a. I've got the value of alpha minus beta. I already have the value of alpha plus beta now. So alpha square minus beta square will be equal to alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b upon a, multiplied by plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon a. This is multiplication. Please remember. So it will be minus, plus will become minus. You can say minus into minus will become plus. So again there will be plus minus only. So it will be b upon a square under root b square minus 4ac. So this is the value of alpha square minus beta square. Again we are using the basic algebra that alpha square minus beta square is alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta. I already know the value of alpha plus beta as minus b upon a. For calculating the value of alpha minus beta, there is a relation between alpha minus beta and alpha plus beta. Alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Simple calculation we have done. It was to the power 2. So when we took out alpha minus beta, obviously when you take out the square root, you put plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, and this a square will become a. Now you've got alpha minus beta. Already alpha plus beta is known to you. So alpha square minus beta square will be alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta, and we put the value and we get the value of alpha square minus beta square. Now let us see the C part of the question. C is alpha cube plus beta cube. C is alpha cube plus beta cube. Again, it is alpha plus beta whole cube. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So I'm just in place of a and b, I have the variable alpha and beta. We replace it by them. I want the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. So I need this value. So value of this will be alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to alpha plus beta to the power 3 minus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. You know the value of alpha plus beta, you know the value of alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a to the power 3 minus 3. The value of alpha beta is c upon a, and the value of this is minus b upon a. It is simple algebra. We have to simplify and get the values, like it will become minus b cube upon a cube. Minus to the power 3 is minus into minus into minus. So you'll get answer as minus 3 minus minus will become plus, and it will become 3bc upon a square. Now I can take LCM as a cube. If I take the LCM a cube, what will I get? I'll get, here it will remain the same, it will become 3abc minus b cube plus 3abc. So alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to 3abc minus b cube. I am writing minus term later, that is all. Otherwise I have not changed anything. This you get the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube will be 3abc minus b cube upon a cube. This is simple plain algebra which I am telling you time and again that you will have to revisit your expansions of class 8 to get to this. Now let us see the next D1. D is alpha 4 plus beta 4. Again alpha 4 plus beta 4, I am going to use alpha square plus beta square whole square. Will be alpha 4 plus beta 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Instead of a I have alpha square, instead of b I have beta square. So when I square them, I'll get the square of the first term plus the square of the second term plus double the product of first and second term. And I want the value of alpha 4 plus beta 4. So I'll get this alpha 4 plus beta 4 equal alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Remember, the value of alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Again, we will apply the formula of alpha plus beta whole square. You can get this to the power 2 minus 2 alpha beta whole square. You know the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a whole square minus 2c upon a minus 2c upon a whole square. Let us open the brackets and solve them. It will become b squared minus upon a squared minus 2c upon a, and this will be minus 2c squared upon a squared. If you take the LCM as a squared, you'll get b squared minus 2ac minus 2c squared. So your alpha 4 plus beta 4 will become of this form: b squared minus 2c squared minus 2ac minus 2ac. Because this is whole square, yes, b squared upon a squared, this will become like this: alpha square plus beta square whole square. Yes, we missed it here. We made a mistake here. It is whole square here. So we have to do this. This is square we missed here. So b squared upon a squared minus 2c upon a to the power 2 minus 2c square upon a square. You will take LCM. You will get a square here. It will be b squared minus 2ac whole square minus 2c square upon a square. We will open it up further. It will become b squared minus 2ac to the power 2 upon a4 minus 2c square upon a square. You will have to take the LCM a4. It will become b squared minus 2ac whole square minus, it is a square, so 2a square c square. So your value of alpha 4 plus beta 4 will be b squared minus 2ac whole square minus 2a square c square upon a4. You can expand this also and you can sort it out also if you want. What will it become if I expand it further? B square minus 2ac whole square will be b4 plus square of this 4ac square c square and minus 4acb square minus 2a square c square upon a4. You can take 4a square minus c square as 2a square, c square minus 4acb square upon a4. This could be taken like that. Now the next question is, next part is alpha 6 plus beta 6. E part is alpha 6 plus beta 6. Again, what I am going to do, alpha 3 plus beta 3 to the power, suppose I want to find the square of this. If I want to find the square of this, a cube, a plus b whole square. So it will be, what will happen? Alpha 6 plus beta 6, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab, alpha cube beta cube. Now I want the value of alpha 6 plus beta 6. So alpha 6 plus beta 6 will be alpha cube plus beta cube minus 2 alpha beta whole cube. A cube plus b cube, already we had calculated earlier. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. So I have to calculate this value. This value will be how much? This value will be alpha plus beta to the power 3 minus 3 alpha beta and alpha plus beta minus 2 alpha beta to the power 3. Let us put the values of alpha plus beta everywhere. Wherever this is square, we should not make this is square. Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a to the power 3. Minus 3 alpha beta is c upon a. It is b upon minus b upon a to the power 2 minus 2 c upon a to the power 3. Now first of all, let us solve this. It will become minus b cube upon a cube minus into minus plus 3bc upon a square to the power 2 minus 2c cube upon a cube. Now it will become, if I take the LCM as a cube, it will become 3abc actually, 3abc minus b cube to the power 2 minus 2c cube upon a cube. This is the way. I can write it another way also. That is 3abc minus b to the power 3 to the power 2 upon b to the power a to the power 6 and minus 2c cube upon a cube. You can take LCM as a to the power 6. If you take the LCM a to the power 6, what will you get? 3ab c minus b cube to the power 2 minus 2a cube c cube. That will leave your answer in the right format. So it is alpha 6 plus beta 6. It is the form alpha 6 plus beta 6. We can leave the answer in this format here. Now, if the part if alpha plus beta upon alpha to the power minus 1 plus beta to the power minus 1. Alpha plus beta 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. To the power alpha to the power minus 1 means 1 upon alpha. Beta to the power minus 1 means 1 upon beta. Now we will take LCM in the denominator. LCM in the denominator is alpha beta. So it will become beta plus alpha. It will become alpha plus beta upon alpha plus beta, and this alpha beta will come up. So this will cancel. We will get alpha beta, and the value of alpha beta is C upon A. So the value of alpha plus beta upon alpha minus to the power minus 1 plus beta to the power minus 1 is C upon A. It is very simple. Now let us see the next question, the next part D. Next part G. In part G, I have 11 to the power 4, b to the power 7 plus beta to the power 4, alpha to the power 7. Now in this nothing seems to be applicable just now in this format. So what I can do is I should take out the common. What can I take out common? Alpha to the power 4, beta to the power 4. I can take out alpha to the power 4, beta to the power 4 common, and what will be left here? Beta cube plus alpha cube. This value we have already calculated, alpha cube plus beta cube. In the previous question we have calculated it is alpha beta to the power 4. This I have already calculated, alpha cube plus beta cube as the third part. So alpha beta, you know the value of alpha cube plus beta cube, which we have calculated. The part C only just now, you can put the values and get the answer. I am not going to solve it further, you can do it yourself. Now let us see the part H. It is alpha upon beta under root plus beta upon alpha under root. We can write this as alpha under root beta plus under root beta upon under root alpha. They can be separated like that. Now I'll take the LCM. Under root beta, under root alpha. Under root alpha will multiply, will give you alpha. Under root beta will multiply, will give you this. And this is alpha plus beta upon, this could be written as under root alpha beta. You know the value of alpha plus beta, that is minus b upon a, and this is under root c upon a. To simplify it, again, it can be written as minus b upon a, and you can write this under root a upon under root c. So a will come with here minus b upon under root ac. That is all these parts I've solved for you. Thank you.